So here we need to show that the vector triple product A crossed with B cross A is equals to A cross B crossed with A. So let us start from the left hand side. What we can do, we can use the identity. If we have A crossed with B cross C, then this will be equals to B vector multiplied to A dot C minus C vector multiplied to A dotted with vector B. And this is the familiar back cap. So this is a mnemonic technique that we can use to remember the identity of A crossed with B cross C. Now what we will do, we'll consider this as vector A, this is vector B, and this is vector C. So the scalar triple product of A cross B cross A, that will become, so we have back, so back will be B vector multiplied to A vector dotted with A, minus we have to consider vector C, so this is A vector, so that will be multiplied to A vector dotted with B vector. Right. Now what we'll do, we'll take negative as the common factor. Now we will use this as the first term, so this will become A vector multiplied to A vector dotted with B vector minus B vector multiplied to A vector dot A vector. Now this is similar to our vector A vector crossed A cross B. So if we use the back cap method, this to expand this particular vector triple product, we will get this same result. Now we can again use the other identity that when we have the scalar, or when we have the vector product A cross B, this is similar to negative times B cross A. So that means this will be equivalent to A vector cross B vector cross A vector. So hence proved.